If you sell on Amazon, Arbitrage, or Wholesale, your deals start in Keepa. It's powerful, but it only works while you're sitting there, running it. So every day looks the same. Open Product Finder, rebuild the filters, run the search, export the results, repeat. And if you skip a day, the deals you would have found go to somebody who didn't. Now flip it. Imagine your best queries running themselves every single day, whether you show up or not. That's QueryForge. Here's the machine. 5 steps. You build the first 2. The rest can run without you. Step 1. Build your query in Keepa. Your filters, your categories, your price range. Nothing new. You already do this today. Step 2. Save it with QueryVault and give it a schedule right inside the extension. Daily, weekly, your call. And that's it. Your hands are officially off. From here, QueryForge takes over. On schedule, it runs your query and delivers thousands of fresh ASINs straight to your own cloud storage, while you're prepping shipments, while you're asleep. Those ASINs are ready for a sourcing tool like ArbiSource to scan and match against real suppliers with real margin. And the matched leads can land in your lead manager, like 3P Mercury, duplicates removed, data enriched, ready for a buying decision. So look at what just happened. You built a query once, and now new leads can show up every single day, not because you worked harder, because the machine never stops. QueryForge has a plan for every seller, from your first flip to full scale, and it works hand in hand with QueryVault. QueryVault saves your queries. QueryForge runs them. JASS.com/QueryForge. Set it once. Find deals forever.